Have you ever wondered if you could make extra cash by sharing your opinions online? Well, get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of paid surveys. Today, we're going to explore how you can use some clever AI tricks to boost your earnings and potentially make to $5,000 a month. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive in. The basics of online surveys. First things first, let's talk about what online surveys are. You know how sometimes your parents ask you what you think about something? Online surveys are like that, but instead of your parents asking, it's big companies and researchers who want to know what you think. These companies are interested in hearing from regular people like you and me. They want to know what we like, what we don't like, and what we think about all sorts of things. And guess what? They're willing to pay us for our opinions. Getting started with paid surveys. Okay, so now that we know what online surveys are, how do we start doing them? It's pretty easy. There are lots of websites out there that offer paid surveys. Some of the popular ones are PrizeRebel, FreeCash, and Prolific. To get started, you just need to sign up for these websites. It's usually free and only takes a few minutes. You'll need to give them some information about yourself, like your age, where you live, and maybe some of your interests. This helps them match you with surveys that are right for you. How surveys work. Once you're all signed up, you can start taking surveys. On most sites, you'll see a list of available surveys. Each one will tell you how long it might take and how much you can earn. Some might take just a few minutes, while others could take half an hour or more. When you start a survey, you'll usually have to answer some questions to see if you qualify. This is because companies often want to hear from specific types of people. Don't worry if you don't qualify for every survey, it happens to everyone. If you do qualify, you'll get to answer the main survey questions. These could be about all sorts of things, maybe your favorite foods, what kind of phone you use, or what you think about a new TV show. The key is to always be honest. If you try to trick the survey, they might catch on and you could get in trouble. Earning potential of online surveys. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, how much money can you make? Well, it depends on a few things, like how many surveys you do, which sites you use, and where you live. If you're just starting and doing surveys casually, you might make around $50 to $100 a month. That's still pretty cool pocket money, right? But if you get good at it and use some clever tricks, which we'll talk about soon, you could potentially earn much more. Some super successful survey takers have reported earning up to $1,000 a month or even more. Now, that's not typical, and it takes a lot of time and effort to reach that level. But it shows that there's potential to earn some serious cash if you're dedicated. Remember, though, that taking surveys isn't going to make you rich overnight. It's more like a fun way to earn some extra money on the side. Think of it as getting paid to share your thoughts while you're watching TV or waiting for the bus. Finding the best survey sites for you. Not all survey sites are created equal, and what works great for one person might not be the best for another. So how do you find the right sites for you? Here are some tips. First, think about where you live. Some survey sites work better in certain countries. For example, if you're in the US, you might have more opportunities than someone in a smaller country. Next, look for sites that have good reviews from other users. You can find lots of reviews online or on YouTube. Pay attention to what people say about how easy it is to use the site and how quickly they get paid. Some popular survey sites to check out include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. But remember, what works best can change over time, so always keep an eye out for new opportunities. AI tips for boosting your survey earnings. Okay, now for the really exciting part, how can AI help you earn more from surveys? There are some pretty amazing ways that artificial intelligence can supercharge your survey-taking skills. First off, you can use AI tools to find the best surveys out there. These clever programs can scan through tons of survey sites and pick out the ones that are worth your time. It's like having a super smart robot assistant. AI can also help you figure out the best times to take surveys. It can look at when new surveys usually pop up and when you're most likely to qualify. This way, you're not wasting time checking for surveys when there aren't any good ones available. Some AI tools can even help you answer survey questions more quickly and accurately. They can help you understand tricky questions or give you ideas for open-ended responses. Just remember to always be honest and use your own words. But that's not all. There are cool AI tools that can help you keep track of how much you're earning across different survey sites. They can even predict how much you might earn in the future based on your current pace. It's like having your financial advisor. Some advanced AI tools can analyze your profile and find surveys that are perfect for you. This means you're more likely to qualify for the surveys you start, saving you time and helping you earn more. AI can also help you figure out which surveys are worth your time. It can calculate your potential earnings per hour for different surveys and help you focus on the most profitable ones. Lastly, some clever AI tools can help you optimize your survey profile. They can suggest ways to fill out your profile that might make you eligible for more high-paying surveys. Remember, while these AI tools can be super helpful, they should never replace your own honest opinions. The goal is to use AI to work smarter, not to cheat the system. Challenges and how to overcome them. Of course, earning big money from surveys isn't always easy. Here are some challenges you might face and how to deal with them. Not qualifying for surveys. This can be frustrating, but don't give up. Use AI tools to help match you with surveys you're more likely to qualify for. Low-paying surveys. Sometimes it might feel like the surveys don't pay enough. Use AI to find the best paying opportunities and focus on those. Time management. Balancing survey taking with other responsibilities can be tough. Let AI help you schedule your survey time efficiently. Slow payments. Some sites take a while to pay out. Use AI tracking tools to manage your earnings across different sites and plan accordingly. Scams. Unfortunately, there are some fake survey sites out there. Stick to well-known, reputable sites and use AI tools to help spot potential scams. Remember, overcoming these challenges is part of the journey to becoming a survey superstar. The future of online surveys. Exciting times are ahead in the world of online surveys. As technology keeps getting better, we might see some cool changes. Virtual reality surveys. Imagine putting on a VR headset and walking through a virtual store to give your opinions. How cool would that be? AI-powered conversations. Instead of just clicking answers, you might chat with an AI that asks you questions and understands your responses. Real-time feedback. Companies might ask for your opinion while you're using their products, giving you instant rewards. Personalized survey experiences. AI might create surveys that are perfectly tailored to your interests and experiences. Blockchain rewards. Some survey companies are starting to use cryptocurrency to pay people, which could mean faster payments and new ways to earn. As these changes happen, staying up to date with the latest AI tools will help you make the most of these exciting new opportunities. Wow, we've covered a lot today. We've learned all about how online surveys work, discovered some awesome AI tricks to boost our earnings, and even peeked into the future of survey taking. Remember, earning $5,000 a month from surveys is a big goal, and it won't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and smart strategies. But with dedication, consistency, and the help of some clever AI tools, you can increase your earnings and have fun while doing it. So, are you ready to start your journey as a survey-taking superstar? Remember, every survey you take is a step closer to your goals. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome money-making tips. And hey, why not share this video with your friends? They might want to join in on the survey fun too. Thanks for watching.